Microsoft finally did something Windows users been asking for since Windows 11 launched. In version 26H2, some of the biggest frustrations are finally gone, including the locked taskbar, Bing Peel search bar, forced Copilot, and even those annoying update prompts. Here's everything that's changing. Welcome back to Sudama Lab. Windows 11 version 26H2 and flashy redesign. Instead, Microsoft is fixing years of user complaints by bringing back classic Windows features, reducing interface clutters, and giving you more control over your PC works. Let's take a look. One of the biggest complaints since Windows 11 launched was the locked taskbar. With Windows 11 version 26H2, Microsoft is finally bringing back the native taskbar repositioning. You can move taskbar to the top, to the left, to the right, or default the bottom directly from the settings. There is also a proper small taskbar mode that doesn't just shrink the icons, it reduces the actual taskbar size, giving you more usable screen spaces, especially on laptops and ultra-wide monitors. Windows Search is finally becoming search tool again. A new option lets you completely disable Bing web results, so a start menu focuses on your files, install apps, and system settings instead of news, shopping suggestions, and web recommendations. If you wanted a cleaner Windows search experience, this is one of the best improvements in years. Microsoft also appears to be changing approach to Copilot. Instead of placing Copilot buttons everywhere, apps like Notepad, Photos, and Snipping tool are getting cleaner interface with standard editing tools. Copilot becomes an optional assistant instead of something constantly pushed into the Windows interface. Believe it or not, the Run Dialog opened with Windows R. It's finally getting its first major redesign in decades. It now supports dark mode, makeup materials, and modern Windows design language, while remaining just as fast and lightweight. It's a small change, but one Windows enthusiasts have wanted for years. Microsoft is also giving users much more control over updates. You'll be able to skip installing updates when shutting down or restarting. Pause update is in a built-in calendar for more than a month, and use a new point-in-time restore feature to roll out your system back if an update causes problems. That means pure surprises after installing Windows updates. If Windows becomes corrupted, you can now reinstall or repair directly from Microsoft Cloud without creating a bootable USB drive. It's a faster, simpler recovery process that's especially useful if your system went built correctly. One of the smartest changes is how Microsoft is delivering Windows 11 version 26H2. Instead of downloading a full operating system again, Microsoft is using an enablement package or EKB for compatible Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 devices. That means a much smaller download, a single restore, and all these new features become available with a reinstall in Windows. Windows 11 version 26H2 ain't about a flashy AI feature or another visual overhaul. It's about fixing the things people have been complaining about for years. If Microsoft continues in this direction, Windows 11 could finally become the operating system many users expected in back 2021. So what do you think? Is Windows 11 26H2 finally fixing the biggest problems, or is Microsoft still missing something? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed Windows updates, subscribe to Sudama Lab for more Windows news, tips, and hands-on guides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.